It's Mac and German Japanese car. I got in an '07 Volkswagen Jetta Wolfsburg for parts. Hit on the left front, but there's many good parts. The rear is perfectly good. It's only got 70,000 miles on it. 70,000. I take credit cards and ship. I do installation and repair. Check me out at maxgermancar.com or my YouTube channel, the Max Brakeman channel. 2007 Volkswagen Jetta Wolfsburg with a manual 5-speed transmission, 5-cylinder 2.5 liter engine. The radiator and radiator fans are good. Front grille is good. Passenger headlight, passenger fender, good. It got hit on the driver's side. But it's only got 72,656 miles on it. So it's got super low miles. It starts and runs. I'm charging the battery to start and run. Max is German Japanese car. Call 310-804-4185. Call or text 310-804-4185. Thank you.